Welcome to CondoLogy.
I am CondoBot and back to the common areas in the description of the condominium. Then continue the description of the condominium, so after saving the file it gave us a good result. We click on the 3 small green dots and on edit. Now we see that our fields are full. We're going to go to the common areas because that's what we're going to work with in our video. Okay, I'm going to take a quick look at the procedure for use. In fact, the common areas, if I summarize, these are spaces which all the co-owners have the enjoyment of use. Hallways, main entrances, secondary entrances, sidewalks, those things. But there are also common areas for restricted use that we call it CondoLogie ACUR. So, it's a space for which a co-owner has the exclusive use. But there, you have to be careful, because, how do you establish the common charges attributed to this ACUR common area which are paid by the co-owner? It should be understood that if the common areas for restricted use are cadastralized, that means that they are part of the owner's shares. He cannot have an additional contribution requested for this ACUR. Some administrations will decide to charge a monthly fee for the use of different ACURs. Again, this is not quite fair according to CondoLogie, because the price may be too low or too high, so at that time the user pays a little bit more for others in the common charges. The idea behind how to do it in CondoLogie is to try to be as fair as possible 100%. So how do we do that? First, in a first step. Because this is our first passage in the description of the condominium. What we want is only to enter the number of square feet, the number of interior square feet 3,250 as an example, which happens. We have an automatic calculation that is carried out here. The number of square feet of common areas in the garage, say 3,520, again, an automatic calculation is produced. Then, we have the outdoor common areas. It's much larger because it includes the land and the outdoor parking lots, let's say 12,800 square feet. Also, what will have to be determined is, are the storage spaces, the cubbies, these spaces included inside the garage space, or are they not included inside the garage? So at that time determine the square foot, so 1450. First, that's all we do. The automatic calculations of the total number of square feet are displayed here, and we will use our budget a little later to calculate exactly the common load allocated to ACUR common areas. We will finalize the calculation of the common areas later. Thank you, CondoBot.